Tried to do a 1 minute opening range break up on it right at the open. So open the strong, came above the VWAP. I tried to go this 1 minute opening range break up, and then the dupe dropped and I got to stop that. So I quickly flipped my position to the short, and these are really, and I saw in the volume. Alright guys, good morning everybody and good afternoon everybody from depending on where you are. So I'm in Dubai, so right now it's at 7:30 p.m. So I definitely not good morning for so depending on where you are, how are you guys? So today market is kind of flat. We had this discussion that market definitely doesn't have a lot of room to go higher because you know with these high interest rates and the risk-free rates of 4 or 5% and really good risk-free, so there is really not a lot of demand to go into the equities. At least that's what I believe. Market might be just chop fest for another year or so until it finds a direction. um, so Q's flat, SPY flat. The only thing that was active today was the Tesla. Tesla was gapping up about 1%. I tried to do a 1 minute opening range break up on it right at the open. So open the strong, came above the VWAP. I tried to go this 1 minute opening range break up, and then the dupe dropped and I got to stop that. So I quickly flipped my position to the short, and these are really, and I saw in the volume and in the order flow that it was really weak. So I flipped position short, heavy, much heavier than the long, and then for a red to green to red, so covered everything, and then I got to stop out the rest at the break even. And then it dropped from the VWAP and I went short again. So that's the third trade that I did on it. And when I actually broke the previous take close all the way up to 181.40, and then again it got stopped out at the VWAP at the break even. Now bounce back up again. I might go higher, but I'm not going to trade it at all. So I think it's I just got a really really good trade on it. So if I want to mention my trades, that's one trade that I got stopped out. That's another trade that I did on the short, and then that's another trade on the short that I did. So three trades. This one didn't work. This one worked, and this one worked. And this one was the biggest share size that I took because I was really confident that this is going to become a 1 minute opening range breakdown because there are a lot of people who got stopped out at the VWAP. And this one was a little bit smaller share size because my entry was kind of worse. The risk was a little bit higher. So again, it's all about having the good risk to reward. So overall, turned out to be a profitable day. Chinese sectors are active, like Neo, Bilibili, Baba, because of the China news. Um, but I didn't trade them. I don't like these Chinese companies really. And thanks for all the feedbacks on the recaps. We'll see. Probably change the style of the recaps a little bit when I'm not traveling. Maybe make a better quality and topics more educational than just because if someone wants to come and see right away, maybe get confused. What are these lines? What are these messy dots? And so for a new member, these recaps are really not very probably interesting. So Brian, how was your trading day?
It was, like I said, the market was pretty choppy today, so I did some Tesla trades with you. I got stopped out on the one, unfortunately. So that was red, but then I made it back with the other trades that you talked about, so there's no point in going over those again. The only other trade I guess I did was Billy, right at the open. Really started to take off, so I traded it up through 15. Traded sold through 1509, 1503, and then it really pulled back, and so I at 1475 I had to stop out back at my break even. So anyway, overall it wasn't a bad day, but certainly not great. Yeah, look at Tesla has gone through 184.
So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. So tonight presentation, Peter is going to take over the presentation. Thank you so much, Peter. Um, I do have a presentation for Money Show on Thursday that we can. I want to talk about the ETFs and leverage ETFs and how you trade them. It's online on Thursday, so the link is going to be in the newsletter. And Other than that, I think that's pretty good, guys. If you're new into the channel, I appreciate subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, guys, leave a comment. And Tesla is gonna go probably for the breakup high today. It would have been a really good long on it. I should have flipped my position for a long.
Mhm.
Have a good day, guys. And again, live from Dubai, and hopefully see you next week.
From Dubai.
Yeah, see you next week, guys. Cheers.